For today's experiment, we are making a DIY lava lamp. The supplies needed are a bottle or a jar, water, oil, food coloring, and an Alka-Seltzer tablet. First, we'll fill the jar with 1 part water, which I already have in the jar, and 3 parts oil, leaving a little bit of room at the top. Now mine might not quite be 3 parts oil because I'm actually running low on oil. There we go. So you'll see the water at the bottom and the oil at the top. And then you can add your choice of food coloring, which will sink to the bottom. It's important for us to understand the supplies used and why they're selected. The water and oil have different densities and polarities that keep them from mixing. Water is polar, meaning that it has lopsided charges and will be attracted to opposite charges. The hydrogen atoms are positive, while the oxygen is negatively charged. While the oil is nonpolar and has no charge, and is therefore not attracted to the water. Water is much denser than oil as well, so it will sink to the bottom while the oil floats on top, preventing the liquids from mixing. So what about the Alka-Seltzer, right? Well, Alka-Seltzer is made of sodium bicarbonate, better known as baking soda, and citric acid, which when added to water creates carbon dioxide gas bubbles. These bubbles hold on to the colored water and will rise to the top of the jar. At the top, the gas bubbles will pop, causing the colored water to again sink to the bottom of the bottle while the gas escapes through the top. So now let's drop the tablet in and see what happens. So I have my colored water on the bottom, oil, and now I'm just going to drop in a couple broken up pieces of Alka-Seltzer. All right, so now we can see the colored bubbles are rising to the top and then sinking back to the bottom. In this experiment, the Alka-Seltzer is our limited reactant. Once the tablet is completely used up, there will be no more bubble formation and the reaction will be over, causing the water and oil to settle like before. This is considered an acid-base reaction, as when the tablet is added to water, the substances in the tablet, which are the baking soda and citric acid, are able to react with one another. So that's our bubbles forming. Let's see. All right,